What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a performance / sound upgrade. In this box here, we actually have a new ARM mid pipe. This will go 3 inches from the downpipe all the way back to the muffler, so definitely increased flow. It's going to help with some sound. So right now we're actually working on my buddy's car, but we're going to get mine pulled in, put up on the jack, and get these installed. I'll show you guys what it sounds like after.
To install the new mid pipe, all you have to do is unclamp it from the downpipe and then cut at a specified length from the muffler, and then just throw the new one on with the clamps provided. So that's what I'm doing in the upcoming time lapse. So enjoy. Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Oh, damn!
What? Were you shifting or was it automatic?
That was just paddles.
What? It's not letting you two-step it?
Alright guys, we're gonna go for a little drive. This is the cabin audio. I tried to take some exterior, but it's just literally too loud to make the mic even sound good, so you're gonna hear what I hear. It burbles so much. This is with burbles turned off. And it's still just with this tune or this setup, you can hear every little pop and bang. It's awesome. Woo! All right. God damn. driving, it's nice and quiet. But when you get up into that rev range, it's so much hardier, and the pops and bangs are just Oh my God. Oh my God. I hope you guys can hear it on video. It's literally like gunshots. It's craziness. Craziness. There's kind of an underpass here. I'm gonna light it up. Those shifts. Woo! Here, we'll get some good sound. We got like a wall next to us here. Hopefully the camera picks it up. What the hell? Alright guys, so we made it home. I'm hoping the sound came through on the video as good as it sounds, you know, to my ears, because holy moly. ARM mid pipe, would recommend. Thank you guys for watching.